You are watching Cable ATSG, Milwaukee, Wisconsin's community access channel.
Wayne's World, powertrain, excellent, shift time. Hey, it's been a long time since I've been to Wayne's World. See? Wayne's World. Hey, welcome to Wayne's World of Transmissions. My name is Wayne Colonna, and I'm going to be your host where you're going to get the most excellent tech. Shift time, Wayne's World.
We have an A6GF1 transmission that's in a 2016 Hyundai Elantra 2.0 liter that has a no forward movement condition. So when you look at an app chart, obviously because it has reverse, we know that we have good low reverse clutch. And the low reverse clutch is used on the initial launch. And so we know that since we have reverse, it's not the low reverse clutch. And so then that makes the underdrive clutch suspect. And so as we get into the unit, we'll find that this underdrive clutch is badly damaged. The friction plates are actually shattered. And as you get into the unit, because the piston over traveled, and what you see here is a metal piston. This is a first generation, very early unit. They went to a molded piston, which I'll show you in a bit. But the underdrive clutch piston, it now extends beyond where the area where it seals, and then of course it nibbles the sealing ring, as you can see here. And of course that makes matters worse. Sometimes the seal gets rolled like this, and this happens in Acura Honda transmissions as well. And there's several reasons for this. With the Honda, the drum can be distorted, but if you have a problem with the area where the seal rides up and down, if it's not coming up, if the piston's not coming up evenly, it can begin to roll the seal and do something like this. And there's other possible causes as well. But this is something that you can actually see with the A6 transmission with the metal type piston on the early units. And this problem can be so bad that it'll actually break the pressure plate. And so you wonder, why did this underdrive clutch fail so badly? Did we lose pressure to it? Was it low on fluid? I mean, after you replace all the parts, you certainly don't want to see it happen again. Now, we happen to have a unit that came into a shop that I work at before we saw all this damage. And this is what we discovered. We discovered that the friction material was actually flaking away. And as it flaked away, obviously it caused greater clearance, and then the piston was coming up, and eventually we can even see how the friction plates would shatter and the over travel of the piston and the pressure plate flaking. And so it's not something that's wrong with the valve body. It wasn't a pressure condition. It was something wrong with the friction material being used. And so there is a replacement kit, part number 45525-26610. And you could see that the friction material looks different. It comes complete with the steels and pressure plate. So it's a nice little kit to fix this problem. And if you do encounter the later style with the molded piston, and of course that gets damaged, and so now you need the whole piston, we have the part number for you here, 45610-2F000. So you can get that if you need it, and the clutch kit, and now you can fix that problem.
All right, all you transmission pros, and if you're still with me, excellent. And if you want some more totally awesome tech material like this, just sign up for an ATSG membership. It's like having a backstage pass to all the good stuff. And it's super easy. Just pick up the phone and call 1-800-245-7722. And until then, it's Wayne's World of Transmissions. Excellent shift time, powertrain,